So I lost the sun. So I'm doing this with artificial yellow ass lighting. So hopefully this is okay. But I did want to get this video for you guys because lots of y'all were wondering about these Trader Joe watermelon products. I did want to compare them with the Glow Recipe products to let you know differences and whatnot, because let's be honest, the price difference is hella crazy. So first off, let's talk about these products. We have this one, and this is the Trader Joe's Watermelon Facial Mist. It's to refresh and hydrate. Let's see. I'm not really an ingredients person. Like, I don't, when I see this long list of things, like, I don't know what things mean. So it says hydration, heavy hitters, check. A bevy of botanicals, check. Ingredients derived from the wonders of water, the wondrous watermelon itself. Check. This light melony mist will keep you glowing all season long. So that's what they tell you. And then we have the watermelon overnight mask with watermelon fruit water and plant derived squalene. So there's that product. Let's see, what does this say? Watermelon is more than just a cool, crisp treat. A hot summer's day, turns out this mighty melon welcomes the opportunity to help refresh and revitalize your skin too. Fortunately for you, we formulated the Trader Joe's Watermelon Overnight Face Mask with a wagon load of watermelon ingredients, watermelon fruit water, watermelon seed extract, and watermelon fruit extract. This hydrating formula contains plant-derived squalene along with botanical extracts, sodium hyaluronate, to leave your skin feeling soft and rejuvenated. What are you waiting for? Go to bed and get glowing. All right, so let's start off with the mist. So here are the two products. This one is $3.99 from Trader Joe's, and this is $28. Damn. So here's the Trader Joe's one. It also has like that separation going on, just like this one. So it has like that oily stuff on top. I actually don't know the actual color of this because the container itself is pink, so it's hard to see the actual color. But here's the spritz. Okay, I should probably take off my glasses for this. Okay, here's this spritz. And then here's this spritz. So here are the major differences that I've found. The mister itself is very different, even though this is pretty fine for what it looks like. It does a pretty good mist. This one is like super fine. This one almost feels like a fog on the face. So when you spray this on your face, it like evenly distributes it. You can really feel it sinking into your skin. Like, I can feel it on top of my skin. It also does smell like watermelon. It does have that sweet smell, but it's not overpowering, and it does smell like fresh watermelon. I can feel that going right into my skin. This one, the spritz is a little harsher than this, although it's finer than like if you were to spray a hairspray, but it's definitely finer. When I touch my, like, honestly, like, my face is dry. So I don't know if it already sunk into my skin or whatnot, but when I spray this, it like automatically just dries on my face, which is making me think that there must be some sort of alcohol in here, but I don't know. The scent is also a little different. It smells a little bit more like candied watermelon with some other like scents in it. Maybe like citrusy, but it's more perfumey than this one. This one smells like more like a natural watermelon, and this one has more of like a fragrance to it. And yeah, this also stings my face a little bit. I think that if I use this on its own, I wouldn't have noticed that it stung my face, but when I compare it to this, I can feel that it has a slight tingle in my skin. Okay, but this is $3.99 and this is $28. So this is definitely a luxury product, and if I were to choose either of the products, I would still definitely choose this one. But this one is like kind of like a fun on the go kind of thing. $3.99, what do you have to lose? So yes. Now let's take a look at these two watermelon sleeping masks. I'll be honest with you, to me, like, I've used both products, and to me, they're like two completely different products. So this product is definitely like a tried and true for me. This is the Glow Recipe Sleeping Mask. It is fantastic. You put this on your skin before you go to sleep, and it's amazing. This is more of a liquidy product, as you can tell. As you can tell, it's definitely more of like a liquidy product. It's got really nice bounce and texture to it. Very gel based. It's got AHA and it's amazing. I love this, and I love how my skin feels when I wake up in the morning before I wash it off. And then you have this product, which is the, my hands are so slippery now. And let me show you, this consistency is completely different. Like, this looks more like a actual moisturizer cream, whereas this is like a liquid. Yeah. This product to me feels more like a gel cream. It's definitely thicker. And I like that it has squalene in it, which I don't think the other product has. Again, this has like that like candy watermelon with like fragrance. Maybe like this one smells a little like citrusy, like sweet citrus as well. But this is definitely, it's way thicker than the other one. It's like putting on a cream, like a nice gel-based cream. Like, and the Glow Recipe feels more like you're putting on a serum. This one sinks into your skin, and this one is still like sitting on top of my skin. I don't know if it's because it's like thicker or whatnot. So the call outs for this product, it has watermelon, hyaluronic acid, AHAs, pumpkin extracts. So this stuff is really going to exfoliate your skin throughout the night. This one, geez, I'm so bad at like figuring out the ingredients. This one, it says it has watermelon fruit water, watermelon seed extract, and fruit extract, which to me tells me that there's some sort of acid in here as well to exfoliate your skin. So I think that this product also has the hyaluronic acid, the AHAs. It just doesn't highlight that. But for me, the main difference is that they're completely different products. Like, this one to me is like a night cream, like overnight kind of mask cream. And this one is more like a serum kind of product. This one has squalene, and I don't think this has squalene in it. They both do give a little tingle to the skin. If you have been wanting to try a watermelon overnight sleep mask, definitely worth a go. It's only $6.99, super inexpensive. This though is how much? How are you? The 30 ml is $22. So this to me is just so good. So for me, if you want to try these Trader Joe's products, I honestly feel like they're cheap and they're fun and they're great. I would definitely give it a go. However, if I'm going to compare it with these two products, which are higher end, I feel like there's no real comparison. I would not say they're a dupe. I think that these two live on their own compared to the other two. But if you do want to try a cheaper watermelon product, those two are really fun to try. But a dupe for this, no. Are they similar? Yes. But they just don't compare. And so, yeah. Hopefully that was helpful for you in knowing more about these products. If you have a Trader Joe's near you, these like together are, what is it, like $11. So I am still gonna use this, and I'm glad that I had this to try. It's like really fun to use, but still love my tried and true little gems over here. And I hope you enjoyed that video. Hopefully that was helpful for you all, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.